Hi guys, mayang gabi alas oras mo 10. Ay ano man makita ang orasan, 10:42 in the evening na. Alas 10:42 sa gabi diri sa time sa Israel. So bugtaw pa si Lolo ga computer kita yari sa kwarto. Di pa nga buhay isang caregiver diri sa Israel guys. Tumulong na tayo sa kwarto. Chika-chika lang tagamay. Chika-chika ka dali. Damo ka muno. Damo lang ka muno sa ilong ko. Guys, ako nung lantawan gamay. Guys, ako nung grabe ka bahol. Amo gara guys ang ako ni Irong. To tell you the truth, baw. Nabalan ta ka masang kamaturan guys. This past few months, I have so many realizations sa akong nga kagalingon. Personally, I'm not that talkative person sa social media, but this time I want to share it with you so that you guys were going to have any idea man of what's they called maturity is. Maybe I'm already been in transition of maturity basi kung temprano lang kuya nga gin ano sang maturity. But ano guys, alam nyo ba? Matagalog ko pala. Let's talk Tagalog para nga kung sa Pilipinas, ano na siya, general language. So, para malaman ng lahat. Alam nyo ba guys, this past few, siguro mga 1 year, or ganyan talaga ilong ko guys. Oh, ganyan malaki. Pero minsan, alam nyo kung, I don't know how to explain it, but I always have insecurities in myself, especially sa ilong. You know. But I love my nose. As long as I can breathe. It doesn't matter if malaki siya or basta nakakahinga, okay lang. This past few months, or not few months, already more than a year, this past year, I have so many realizations in myself na sinasabi ko lagi. Sabi ko lagi nung isang taon siguro nakaraan, I always tried to look good sa social media, especially when I posted videos in Facebook. And then suddenly, na-realize ko, why should I force myself to look something different in order to take or to get some people positive opinion or positive outlook towards me, no? English ba? So, yan guys, yan yung realization ko na siguro nagkakaedad, 30 pa na ako, 30 years old. But I realized na hindi mo pala kailangan na maging mukhang baguhin yung sarili mo, yung mukha mo. Use filter. Siguro ngayon may filter tong video na to. I don't know. Wala siyang filter. Okay, kita yung mga pores ko. Lalo pag daytime guys, pag nag-video ako kita lahat. Pero I don't care anymore. Alam niyo noong siguro mga 2 taon nakalipas, lahat ng pictures ini-edit ko, lahat ng videos hinahanapan ko ng filter para maging mukhang maganda yung kutis ko, even though ang lalaki ng pores niyan guys. Oh, ang lalaki. Dagdag pa yung ilong ko. Nagdagan ilong ko na medyo hindi lang medyo sobrang laki talaga, but I love myself now. Alam niyo guys, ito lang masasabi ko. I read this book. I forget the title, pero hindi ako mahilig magbasa ng libro, but one time nabasa ko sa isang linya lang naman nabasa ko. Nasabi doon, bago mo daw pangarapin na maging maganda yung pagtingin sa iyo ng ibang tao, you should love yourself first. mahalin mo muna yung sarili mo at huwag mong pangarapin na mahalin ka ng tao dahil maganda ka or maganda ka sa paningin nila or mabuti ka sa paningin nila. So love yourself first, and then you will see that no matter what the other people opinion towards you, it won't be bother you anymore. Ganyan yung sabi niya. So that gives me like ping. In reality, tama naman, di ba? Hindi mo pala kailangang baguhin ang sarili mo para lang magustuhan ka ng ibang tao. You should know yourself first, love yourself first, and then even though yung magiging opinion ng tao sa'yo ay masama, then you don't care anymore because first and foremost, you already know yourself. Di ba? 6 minutes na pala yung video. Kumakain ako ng Pringles. So, yun lang guys. Ang dami ko realization this past few years na maraming bagay-bagay yung nag-iba ang paningin ko. Nag-iba yung pananaw ko. Noon guys, ayoko mag-post ng video na ang pangit ko sa video o ang pangit ko sa picture. Because I have fear na baka anong sabihin ng ibang tao na pangit ako or whatsoever. Pangit naman talaga ako. Now I know na pangit ako. Kahit sabihan na akong pangit, wala akong pakialam. Kasi alam ko na. Diba? Yun yung point guys. No matter what the other people will tell about you personally, you don't care anymore because you know it. Unahin pala dapat natin na kilalanin at tanggapin yung sarili natin because no matter what the opinion of the other people towards you, it doesn't care. You doesn't care or it doesn't bother you anymore. That's the kind of confidence that the other people cannot afford to have because they usually try to impress people by changing their looks, using filters, editing pictures, instead of trying to be yourself. You're trying to hide your identity just to get other people's positive opinion towards you. So ganyan yung realization ko ngayong gabi na isi-share sa inyo. I hope na this would bring some ideas sa inyo na makakapanood nito. Some people may think I'm crazy but I don't care. Think what you want to think and I'll do what I want to do. Okay? At hindi ako lasing guys ha. Humahapdi lang yung pisngi ko kasi kinuskusan ko ng towel nung naligo ako kanina. Sobrang hapdi. Kasi nagbibitak-bitak yung aking balat sa winter. Nag-i-snow na dito sa Israel guys, malamig na. Kaya kahit dito sa loob ng bahay naka-jacket ako. May heater naman pero hindi ko ginagamit kasi bumabara na naman sa loob ng ilong ko. Kalahat sa tuwing hating gabi pag natutulog ako, pag pinaandar ko yung heater, maganon ako. Binablock niya yung dito ko. Ewan ko bakit. Plug nose ba tawag doon? Ewan ko. So yun lang guys. Hopefully you can share this video if you want. If not, it's okay. It doesn't matter. But it's better if you shared it or like it or don't like it. Your reaction would not bother me. It's either angry, happy, like, heart, or whatsoever it is. Okay. Yun lang. Good night guys. Tutulog na ako. Ay, hindi pa pala kasi gising pa si Lolo. Bye.